If your laptop suddenly hangs, do not press restart. Restarting can close everything and you may lose unsaved work. Most people panic and restart the laptop immediately. On-screen restart data loss risk. Instant press Ctrl Shift and Escape to open Tasks Manager. Select the app that is not responding and click End Tasks. This closes only the presence app, not the entire system. Then close. Then click Window Control Shift B. Your laptop refreshes window rebooting Windows. This is a safe build on the window methods. Save this video and follow for the daily window tips. Thank you for the watching. Subscribe my the channel.